Hi mga ka-hardin, this is Hardinerang Nanay. Yan, touring you to her office. This one. So, this is my actually mini greenhouse. My mini greenhouse is covered of course with plastic and net. So tara, tsaa tayo habang nagdi-discuss tayo dito. Okay? Yan. Actually, kunti lang tong collections ko. Nagbibenta rin kasi ako before the SCQ. So there we go. Pero ngayon na ECQ hanggang ngayon, under propagation muna tayo. Wala mo nang benta-benta. So ito yung mga some of my begonias. Ito na lang yung natira sa collection ko. Yan. Yan. Nabenta ko na yung iba. So yan. That will be soon for sale. So yan. Yan. Gusto ko na nga matapos na itong quarantine para makalabas na at makabili pa. Okay? At saka para back to business na tayo, 'di ba? So ngayon, vlog na lang tayo. Ayan. So today we're going to feature the Epiphyllum orchid cactus, the curly locks or the curly Sue. So this is our mother plant. 2 years na sa akin 'yan. So mas mahaba pa sana 'yan. Try to Google curly Sue or curly locks or orchid cactus. Ang haba talaga, pwede siyang hanggang doon sa baba. Pero dahil sa leaf propagations, pinagpuputol ko. Yan, 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 yan. So, ito na lang yung natira. Kasi yung iba, nabenta ko na. So, yan. This is from a leaf propagation or leaf cutting. So, yan. Ito na yung baby niya. So, as usual, wait for 3 days to dry the cutting before ibaon sa lupa. Okay. O anong ibaon? Pag ibaon pala, no, all of it, you cover it. Ganun ba yun? Or itusok na lang sa lupa. O sige, para safe. Okay. Ito, yung nakikita natin dito, these are actually from seeds. Yes, meron po siyang fruit. Papakita ko mamaya yung fruit niya at saka itsura ng seeds. For summer, lagi siyang may bulaklak starting actually from January. So, April, March or April, you will harvest. Okay? So, this one. So, this one also is from seeds. So, pinunla ko siya April 2020 from actually yung ka-open ko lang na fruit. So, direct sa lupa. So, yan na siya. So, for the babies, kasi ito, nasa labas lang ito eh. Pero I covered it with net para hindi sila ma-sunburn. Yan. Lagay nyo sila sa area na morning sun lang. Tapos may net pa. Okay? For the watering, actually gustong-gusto nila yung water. So, you can water them actually once or twice a week. But, make sure that the soil will not be saggy. So, this one, I use the compost and ordinary soil. So, yan. If you want, you will add what's that? The pumice and the perlite. So, nabibili siya sa orchidarium, online, and garden shops. So, okay. So, what else? Oh, this one. I tried grafting it. So, effective naman. I grafted this one actually March 2020. So, ayan. Matigas naman. Kumapit siya. So, this is my experiment. Actually, I want to know kung magfa-flower ba siya, magfa-fruit pa siya, or magkakaroon ng new growth ng leaves dyan. O, kaya ganyan na lang ba siya? Diba? Maganda naman, diba? There we go. There, kung I will be having again mature na rootstock na dragon fruit, I will make another one like this. Diba? Kasi nga, diba, yung crab cactus, pwede siyang i-graft. Hindi pwede rin yan. Diba? Yan. There we go. there. So I'm going to show you the fruit. So ayan yung mga fruit niya. Yan yung seeds ready to plant. Okay. So thank you for watching. This is Hardinirang Nanay signing off.